Soliciting, human trafficking, everybody going to jail. Hands on your head.
Maybe guys clear it up.
This guy is a stranger that is on our bachelor party. He vomited on us, and then we had to get naked.
He's like our friend, but he's older than us. So he's like our daddy.
Guys, you're not helping. You gotta see this. I'm in a random group chat with some guys planning their bachelor party. They're inviting me to Miami? Yeah, they want me to go. My boss thinks I'm getting too old. Damn. Sorry, baby. It's fine. This is my opportunity to connect with the youth.
It's the kind of beat to go
It's really weird that you came. I had no idea you were like 50.
No, man, I'm 40.
That's still so many years to be.
We got 72 hours.
Shower up and put on your good panties. You look like a bad genie.
You look like shorter pit bull.
I like it.
Money, get it, drop it to the floor.
First, we chilling and grilling by the pool.
Oh my God, look at all these women around. Be like freshmen. Be like me, man.
Where are they coming from?
Then, we hit the club, boys, and guess what? No survivors.
Pull your dick out.
It's enough. No dick for you.
And then, party bus. We're hitting South Beach tonight. Can I offer you some Zen? I'm gonna do 2.
I'm gonna do 3. Oh. My lips starting to get numb.
Have you been swallowing them?
What the fuck, Joe? Huh? Come on, Joe. Something's off about this guy.
Are you a police officer? Me?
Prove you're not a cop.
Do the drugs.
What, you are dead men walking?
Tonight we in the major league. Follow me. We gotta go. Guys, jellyfish at 9 o'clock. Oh my God!
No, your face!
My face what?
It's a cauliflower face.
I think it got me. No, we don't. It got me.
It's the kind of beat to go. It's the kind of beat to go. It's the kind of beat to go.
Joe, before you go,
Yeah.
you look like an unsuccessful swinger.
Yeah, you look like Black Elton John.
You look like a fruit by the foot.
It's the kind of beat to go. It's the kind of beat to go. It's the kind of beat to go.